Lokeshwaranando Eye Foundation. One person in the world goes blind in every 5 seconds. 45 million people in the world are visionless. Approx 12 million exist in our own motherland. That is 1/4 of the world's blind population. It's a matter of concern as every year in India 4 million cases of visual impairment are added. But the silver lining is that 80% of visual impairment can be treated and treated easily. Nandritam, in an effort to provide timely medical intervention and prevent needless blindness, launched an eye care program in 2006 at remote Para block of Purulia district. It started with monthly eye clinics in a small mud hut at Para. In a couple of years, with the ever-increasing influx of patients, the mud hut soon took the shape of a 6-bedded hospital building with basic operative infrastructure and was named Lokeshwaranando Memorial Eye Unit in memory of its mentor and inspiration, Shami Lokeshwaranando Ji Maharaj. The hospital was launched on 24th February 2008 with 21 cataract surgeries. Lokeshwaranando Memorial Eye Unit was subsequently renamed Lokeshwaranando Eye Foundation or LEF. In recognition of its relentless services, LEF in 2010 was assigned by the National Rural Health Mission for free eye care management in the 23 remote and inaccessible LWE blocks of Purulia, Bankura and Paschim Midnapur. Further in 2012, LEF was declared as the 100-bedded referral hospital for complete eye care solutions in the backward and inaccessible Jongol Mahal region by the Honorable Chief Minister of West Bengal. Being situated in remotely rural Para in Purulia, yet today, Lokeshwaranando Eye Foundation has acquired in due course of time the required technical and infrastructural competence and is today equipped to undertake glaucoma surgeries, squint surgeries, advanced sac surgeries as well as all sorts of sophisticated vitreoretinal surgeries in collaboration with BB Eye Foundation, Kolkata, apart from the basic cataract surgeries. Further, as a part of its expansion drive to gift sight, today LEF has travelled beyond the boundaries of West Bengal. In partnership with one of the colossal corporate icons of India, Tata Steel, known for their social responsibilities, LEF has spread its wings in the remote tribal villages of Jharkhand too. A formal order was passed from Health and Family Welfare Department, Government of West Bengal in August 2012 for official handover of Mohanpur Block Primary Health Center in Paschim Midnapur to LEF for cataract surgeries. This 30-bedded eye hospital has started functioning from 25th March 2015 under the aegis of Lokeshwaranando Eye Foundation. Additionally, LEF conducts outreach camps in the nook and corners of the remote 23 blocks of Jongol Mahal and also in Jharkhand. Yearly about 2 lakhs beneficiaries are getting treatment in the outpatient department of LEF and more than 10,000 patients undergo free of cost operative procedures at Lokeshwaranando Eye Foundation. And this achievement would never have been possible without the spontaneous support of collaborators. Felix School of Education. All the health of the world cannot help one little Indian village if the people are not taught to help themselves, and hence our work should be mainly education, said Shami Vivekananda. 2014, Para Block, Purulia, West Bengal. Beautiful yet backward. With a literacy rate of only 55% and already the hub of Nandritam's integrated rural development programs. Felix School of Education, the gateway to world-class learning, was launched with 70 children in nursery, KG1 and KG2. On 6th April 2015, 2 more classes, Standard 1 and Standard 2, have been added and the number of students have more than doubled to 180. Our vision is to upgrade the school to secondary level in phases with Swami Vivekananda's vision of man-making, character-building education. The target is to have a CBSE affiliated high school operational by 2020, though the curriculum to be followed will be that of CBSE board. It will be suitably redesigned to bring it at par with global teaching methodology. Children will be given greater exposure to interactive, web-based teaching solutions, audio visuals, educative toys, charts, etc. The purpose behind this is to make education interesting and deep-rooted and make kids liberal in mind with feet firmly grounded in Indian traditions.
On behalf of Felix School, I must express my gratitude to all our well-wishers for extending their supports and for encouraging us. The school has been set up and will be administered by Nanritam, an NGO founded in memory of Srimad Swami Lokeshwarananda ji, a revered monk and widely respected educationist of West Bengal. Any support that we receive will be of immense value to us, not only in terms of money, but also in terms of guidance, in terms of ideas.
Again inspired by Swamiji's ideology, Nanritam has focused on financially empowering the torchbearers of civilization. Nanritam imparts embroidery training to 450 extremely poor women artisans in Bolpur. Nanritam's initiative doesn't stop at just training. They also aid production, and efforts are made to sell these products through exhibitions and tie-ups. To upscale this initiative and make it more robust, Nanritam has recently tied up with a leading fashion designer in Kolkata, Sudip Sharma, who has been forthcoming in spite of his preoccupations to lend a helping hand to the cause free of cost.
I take great pride in being associated with Nanritam. My bit in this particular organization is I am doing the designing part. I am giving that particular kantha stitch, which is a traditional stuff. I am giving it a beautiful shape which is wearable in the international market and according to today's demand. The kantha stitch is done on a material and that material has to be given a shape. My job is to give the shape to this particular material.
Agriculture development. Nanritam Krishi Kendra. Nearly 87% of the total workforce in Purulia is engaged in agriculture and allied activities. But the region being drought-prone with huge expanses of arid land has rendered traditional agriculture a difficult option for farmers. Nanritam, in collaboration with Syngenta Foundation, started its substantial agriculture development project, Nanritam Krishi Kendra, in 2010 with just 70 farmers in 9 villages of Para block. As the Hindu monk said, "And may I be born again and again, and suffer thousands of miseries, so that I may worship the only God that exists, the only God I believe in, the sum total of all souls, and above all, my God the wicked, my God the miserable, my God the poor of all races, of all species, is the special object of worship."